Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format borders and lines in Google Videos. So you're working on your Google Vids project and you want to put a border around some kind of element in the scene. And this will work for pretty much any element that you can select in the scene, text boxes, videos, images, whatever. You just want to select that object, right? Make sure you can clearly tell that it's been selected. Click on Format, Borders and Lines, and then notice you can choose the border color, the border weight, which is really just how thick that border is going to be. Border type, single border, double border, triple border, thin and thick, or thick and thin. Do you want the border to be dashed at all? And then there's a number of border decorations that you can add. So let's say we wanted a red border, and let's see, what else can we do? Make it kind of thick. And let's make it a double. And then notice you can kind of see that there's two different borders in there. So that's how you can adjust the borders and the types of lines used for those borders in Google Videos. It's kind of neat, adds a little bit of pop to your scenes, draws attention to certain elements, that kind of thing. Could be exactly what you're looking for. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.